All right, guys, so we've been upgraded. We had that the King Junior Suite Lagoon View. Now we have a King regular suite with lagoon view and balcony, and we are in room number 950. So let's go ahead and check out this room, show you guys, give you a grand tour. All right, so when you come in, you're in the living corridors yet again in this room. And guys, we are at the Hilton Blue Lagoon, of course, if I didn't mention that already. But when you walk in, again, we have a mini bar set up here. Ice bucket, some glasses, Hilton branded water, and a barista set up with the coffee, tea, and coffee, tea, sugar, all that good stuff. Down below, you have some storage, yet again, with your fridge, a couple pull-out shelves, in case you want to store some things. Here's a fridge set up. So if you want to go grab you some waters, sodas, juices, whatever, and keep them cool. It's also handy for someone who is traveling that's a diabetic. You can keep your medicines and things in the fridge. So it's really nice for that. All right, so in the room you have 2 tables flanking your pull-out couch here, 2 of your floor lamps. You have a lot of outlets here in the room, all over the room. You have outlets. Over here we have a 50-inch TV, again with the TV console, pull-out drawers there for storing some things. You have 4 cubbies there as well. And again, we have the chair that baby boy is sitting in. Here, another full-length mirror for all of your selfies and get ready moments. In here, the bedroom corridor, we have a really nice size bed, guys. This is a huge bedroom. Again, we have 50-inch TV here with the TV stand, exactly like in the living area, the living space. Have a table here that you can put some things on. Another desk area with the lamp, of course. Yet again, you do have your switch on the lamp that controls your lighting. You have American style plug-ins here. Plenty of space for all of your business setup, laptop, your vlogging equipment, whatever you need. Have a nice relaxing chair here and a stool. 2 nightstands flanking the bed with some storage. Underneath, a couple of table lamps, which also have your American style plugs right there. Then you also have more plugs all around the room in this room as well. Have a clock, desk clock there, alarm clock you can use, wake you up in the morning times. Over here we have another nice size closet with some extra bedding. Iron over here, some hangers. Provide you with 2 robes. You also get the you also get the safe again in this room for all of your personal belongings and valuables. You have an ironing board in here and your rack for the suitcase. All right. And over here in the bathroom, same setup as the other room. You have 2 lamps built into the mirror here. This mirror is actually is a larger mirror. So, and then your sink that comes, or your faucet that comes out of the wall here. This is a little more modern, so very nice. Still have your setup here with some cubbies for storage, plenty of towels and things for you. You have that Crabtree body lotion here on the wall for you to use. Some more outlets and a vanity mirror, perfect for getting ready, your makeup and things. So that's there. Over here in a water closet, you have your toilet, standard, some racks with towels, and a shower, full shower with a large shower head, and you have your bath essentials there with the shampoo, conditioner, and shower gel as well again. So really nice. And then another full-length mirror. So that is the room tour. A nice feature with this room also, guys, it has a balcony. Remember I said it's a Blue Lagoon suite. So this one has a balcony. So it's a bit of an upgrade from the last room. We're gonna go out here. It's a pretty nice size balcony, guys. You see that? Have 2 chairs out here and a table. Really nice setup. You can come out and enjoy the view. Check out this view. This view out here, though, in this room is amazing. Amazing. Now, this is the lagoon view you want. Yeah. This is a corner view lagoon room. So this is, again, the King regular suite lagoon view with a balcony here at the Hilton Blue Lagoon in Miami, Florida. So there you have it, guys. Beautiful room. All right, so don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share. Tell everybody to watch this video, to subscribe to our channel, and come back and see us again. Come back. The videos are gonna be rolling, so stay tuned. And hit that notification bell, guys. Hit that notification bell so you will be alerted every time that a video is posted, whether it be a full-length video or a short. Check out my shorts. I have a long list of shorts, and I'll see you guys next time. All right, bye.